Hello everyone, here we are again for another math tutorial. Find the value of x. Wow. May value pa ba ang x? Diba x na? Dapat wala ng value yan, di ba? Para sa akin. Kaliwali x. Anyway, we are talking about mathematics. That was a joke. So, we have to solve the x. We have here an equation which states that the fourth root of 8 multiplied by the cube root of 2 square root of 8x is equal to 2. Now, how you will solve this one? This we can solve by raising this whole equation to the power 4. Why? Example, fourth root of a can be written as a raised to the power 1/4. Now, a to the 1/4 can be raised to the power 4. So, 4 cancel. They will result to a raised to the power 1, which is equal to a. So here, we raise both sides to the exponent 4. Dahil, as what I've said here, the fourth root of a is equal, this can be written as a raised to the power 1/4. Therefore, if you have to multiply, raise it to the power 4, it will become 8 to the 1, which is equal to a. So, what will happen here? We raise it to the exponent 4. Now, 4 and 4 is cancelled. So, what will happen? It will be like this. 8 to square root of 8x is equal to 2 to the 4th will be equal to 16. Now, 8 and 16, this can be divided by 8. Can be divided by 8, divided by 8. Therefore, what is there remain is cube root of 2 times square root of 8x, which is equal to 2. Now here, again, we can raise it to the exponent 3. So, raise it to the exponent 3. Therefore, 2 square root of 8x is equal to 2 raised to the exponent 3 is equal to 8. 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Now, again, we have to divide it by 2 because it is divisible by 2. So, this is cancelled. This is 4. So, here we are again. 8x is equal to 4. Now, again, we have to raise this one to the exponent 2. Again, raise it to the 2. Therefore, 8x is equal to 4 times 4 is equal to 16. X, therefore, is equal to 2. So, here we solve already x, which is equal to 2. This is our answer.
Sorry, it's DJ.